Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect with your Zoho CRM. First of all, let's go to your profile on the left bottom corner and then click there, go to settings. Once you go to settings, go to the integration tab and scroll down and find for the Zoho CRM, connect your Zoho CRM. You should connect your Zoho account on the same browser that you're using and then click on I allow and accept it, and it's as simple as that. Congratulations, you have connected your Zoho CRM integration. But now let's walk you through a step on how you can import your contacts. Go to auto dialer and then click on this sync icon. Once you click on it, you are able to fetch the contact list from your Zoho. Click here and select the list that you want to pull and call them. For now, I'm going to click on all contacts and just wait a second, and voila, you have the contacts from your Zoho account. And once you choose your assistant, you can start auto dialing and call your contacts. Thank you very much. Have a good day.